Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for everything, guys. One of my videos currently hit 3.5k views, and I'm just really surprised. I'm baffled, to be honest. Like, when I hit 2k, I was like, okay, that's cool. That's the highest viewed video I got so far. I really appreciate it. And then it hits 3 and now 3.5. So I don't know how long before it runs out of steam, but it doesn't matter. I'm just glad you guys enjoyed the video and people watched it. That's what makes me happy. We're super close to 215. We need one more sub. We're at 214 right now. The channel keeps growing. That's good. That's good. And yeah, I just want to thank you before we get started. And yeah, let's get started into the video. Okay, guys. So welcome back. So right now, our account is sitting at 1750. That's not including a Roth IRA. In total, our account value is around 2.1 or $2,000, which is really nice. Um, so it's been a weird week. It's been kind of crabbish in terms of like good news, bad news. So far, our holdings are just 2 Tesla shares and then 209 shares of Riot blockchain or Riot platforms. They changed their name, but that doesn't matter. So today, we're going to be talking about Iron Condors. So in the previous videos, like long ago, I talked about covered calls and selling covered puts. But now let's get into something called an Iron Condor, which is kind of good for this market right now. So first off, you gotta have options enabled. You can't do any of these strategies without options. You have to be level 2 options trader, or I believe level 3, one or two, 2 or 3. I'm pretty sure 3 is the best. So I think you need a 3 because like you with level 2 you can buy and sell options, but you can't form contracts. So I think you need level 3, options permission. Just letting you know, you need some experience. So as soon as you get the app, you're gonna fill out some questions, and don't believe that just because you filled it out, you can trade options immediately. You're gonna have to wait a little, trade some stocks, then you're gonna get access to options, and then you're gonna have to buy a couple of options, like a couple of contracts instead of making them, and then they'll allow you to create contracts. It takes some time, it's not a quick thing. So they want you to be prepared before you throw your money away. So without that, let's just get into it. So we click trade options. Robinhood is very good with the fact that they teach you, it has this builder strategy. So hopefully we can make videos and talk about all of this. So level 1, this is a long call, and then covered calls is what we do because we have a what's it called? We have the contracts with collateral, and we get the premium and so on. And then there's a bunch of other versions of it, so you can see single leg and then vertical spread and all that. So yeah, you have a bunch of things. Not gonna lie. So, I believe we are going to do, let me see. I think it's the long call calendar spread. I'm not too sure. Okay, so it says simultaneously buy and sell similar options using different expiration dates. Calendar spreads are designed to profit from different implied volatility over time. So let me look at one long call. Let's do a long call. Time spread. So I just want to see what it is real quick. Yeah, here, 1 second, guys. I'm gonna cut and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, we're back. So I figured it out. I was just confused because, Robinhood gives you that builder option. But I went up and I found it. It's not listed there, but here we have it. So it says short Iron Condor. So essentially, when we do this, you want to find an expiration date. In this case, Robinhood has it up here. So we're going to click February 24th. So let's do, it expires in 4 days. Okay, so first off, you want to click call and then buy, or buy and call. Just make sure these are set. And then you're going to buy a strike price. So let's do $8. You're going to buy that. So previously listed, we bought it. Then you want to do sell right underneath that buy, and then you click put. You want to sell a put somewhere down here, lower than the $8, and then you want to buy a put underneath that sell. And after you do that, you'll get this thing right here to the right. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. And it says short Iron Condor. It gives you the listings. And then it says total credit is $24. And then it shows you right here. Okay, so you might be wondering, how do I make money? You know, how does this work? So essentially, you want the stock to stay in between the prices you've set. So as of right now, we've set a strike price of $6, right? We set a strike price of $6, and then $6 all the way up to $8, I believe. Let me look at it real quick. 1 second. I believe we put by call $8, right? So you have that set. So essentially, if this you automatically get this credit, so it's $24. You get this credit no matter what. It's really nice. You got this credit. Cool beans. The thing is, you want to make sure that the price stays in between the $6 to $8 range. So if it goes underneath $6, as you can see right here, if it goes to 576, you're gonna be forced to sell, your contract. So yeah, that sucks. So essentially, that's pretty much what it means. You're gonna get a total credit of $24. You keep the premium no matter what, and then you're putting up collateral. And yeah, so you want your price to stay between this range right here. Just make sure it's between the 6 and the 8. So a nice $7, 750, 650 would be nice. So that's pretty good. The max loss is stipulated right here, $24. Max profit $26, and yeah, so on. This is kind of buggy right now because market is closed, but that's essentially the Iron Condor. It's pretty good, especially for choppy markets like this, or just crab markets. You don't know if it goes up and down. You can set a parameter, and then you can do like $10 to $6, and then anything in between is a winning number for you. It's a different strategy. You can always do covered calls and just keep recycling and keep doing that. That's always profitable. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Again, remember, you're gonna be buying a call, so you click $8 again, and then you click sell. You're under the buy, and then for the put, you're gonna click sell, and then buy a put under it, and then that's the short Iron Condor. Just make sure you do this, because if you don't, you'll have something else. Robinhood helps you pretty much with his graphs, and then it must tell you the name. If it says custom, that's not it. That's not the Iron Condor. It must say short Iron Condor. Just make sure it says that. And yeah, again, anything in between the ranges you pick. So anything above $6 and anything below $8, you will be profitable. So it's really good, a good strategy. I recommend you test it out with shittier stocks, or not shittier stocks, but low value stocks, in terms of like this right now. The max I can lose $24. It stipulates it here. So, with that in mind, it's not a lot you're losing. You're not losing a lot, but the gain is $26. So it's almost like a hundred and what, like 20% return, something like that. But yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, short little thing. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.